Birding. A passion for birds. Birding, also known as birdwatching, is a popular hobby that involves observing and identifying birds in their natural habitats. Birders, or birdwatchers, use a variety of tools and equipment, such as binoculars, field guides, and sometimes telescopes, to help them spot, identify, and study birds. Birding can be enjoyed by people of all ages and in various natural settings, from local parks and gardens to remote wilderness areas. Why bird? There are many reasons why people enjoy birding. For some, it is the challenge of identifying different bird species. For others, it is the pleasure of observing bird behavior and learning about their lives. Birding can also be a great way to connect with nature and to appreciate the beauty and diversity of birds. Benefits of birding. Birding has a number of benefits, both for individuals and for society as a whole. Individual benefits. Birding can help to improve mental and physical health, reduce stress, and improve mood. It can also be a great way to learn about nature and to connect with other people who share your interest in birds. Societal benefits. Birding can help to promote environmental awareness and conservation efforts. Birders often participate in citizen science projects that help to track bird populations and identify threats to birds. Birders also support bird conservation organizations that work to protect birds and their habitats. Getting started with birding. If you are interested in getting started with birding, there are a few things you can do. 1. Get a pair of binoculars. Binoculars are essential for birding, as they allow you to get a closer look at birds without disturbing them. 2. Get a field guide. A field guide will help you identify the different species of birds that you see. 3. Find a good place to bird. There are many great places to bird, from local parks and gardens to wildlife refuges and national parks. 4. Be patient and observant. Birding takes time and practice. Don't get discouraged if you don't see many birds at first. Just keep practicing, and you will eventually start to see more and more species. Tips for birding. Here are a few tips to help you get the most out of your birding experiences. Be quiet and still. Birds are easily spooked, so it is important to be quiet and still when you are birding. This will give you a better chance of seeing and identifying birds. Pay attention to your surroundings. Look for birds in trees, shrubs, and on the ground. Listen for bird calls and songs. Use your binoculars. Binoculars will allow you to get a closer look at birds without disturbing them. Take your time. Don't rush your birding experiences. Take the time to observe the birds and to learn more about them. Conclusion. Birding is a rewarding hobby that can be enjoyed by people of all ages and skill levels. It offers opportunities for relaxation, education, and contributing to bird conservation. If you are interested in learning more about birds, I encourage you to give birding a try.